Welcome back. If you are new here, this is Zero the Painter. Today, Zero is creating a portrait of Billie Eilish. He is going to try to capture some of the magic of this Grammy-winning artist known for her haunting vocals, bold fashion, and raw lyrics. We start with a blue background, setting the tone for this masterpiece. Next, Zero uses a fleshy terracotta for the base layer of the portrait, building the foundation for Billie's iconic features. Now he adds two white almond shapes for the eyes. Next up, a bit of white for the shirt collar. Zero then begins work on Billie's signature green hair. Next, he adds pink for the lips, bringing warmth to the portrait. With the basic parts of the portrait set, Zero focuses on layering to create a realistic appearance. He starts by adding the iconic green hair, meticulously working in sections to capture its texture and depth. Now, Zero adds eyebrows and details to the eyes, enhancing their expressive quality. He moves on to eyelashes and the other eyebrow, ensuring every detail is perfect. Next, he works on the nose, adding delicate thin lines and shadows for the nostrils. Zero continues with more details for the chin and lips, followed by the ear, ensuring every feature is precise. He adds highlights to the lips and tones them back with a touch of red, creating a natural, lifelike look. Moving to the shirt collar, Zero adds subtle details to complete the outfit. He then highlights the green hair, bringing out its vibrant color and dimension. Finally, Zero works his way around the painting, adding a few shadows and highlights to give it depth and realism. It looks like his work is complete. What do you think of it? What's your favorite Billie Eilish song? I really love Ocean Eyes, the song that launched her career. And I think he captured those ocean eyes beautifully, 15 streaks in all. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more art videos starring Zero the Painter.